So click on cafe here, it will show. It's showing cafe without extra. Then you click on character here. Character is just the person you want in your video. So let's click on the Dan we just create. Then you can add another character. Just click on the character here again, the character space here. So let me be using Naomi. Okay, let's use Naomi. You can change their position the way you want them to stand. You can see Naomi is standing to the left at the counter, to the right at the counter. You can change their position by just clicking on the button here. Then it will bring some set of available position for you, but I don't need it. So the next thing is to click on the text here, this one that look like message. Just click on it like this. So you will select the character you want to talk. So let me click on Naomi. Then you write the dialogue. Let me just say good evening, sir. You can play it. Just press the play button here.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. If you want to add another text, just click on the message button again. Okay. So you can choose the character. Then let's talk now. So yeah, sorry. This neutral. Dan is neutral, and now click. This is just the emotion, the way you want your character to react. So if they are neutral, but you can click it and see if you want it to be angry, accusing. So let's just let it be, I don't even know, let it be coughing. Okay, you can see it's coughing now. So then you write the dialogue. Young